Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix you can't message this account unless they follow you on Instagram Messenger. So guys, if you are using Instagram Messenger on iPhone or on Android phone, and when you want to send any message to any other and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem and how can you send messages to your account. So guys, you can easily do this. So first of all, you have to go back on your home screen. So guys, now from here you have to click on open your settings, scroll it down. From here you have to click on app management, and now you have to click on app list. From here guys, you have to open your messenger. So guys, open your Instagram Messenger. So guys, you have to search here Instagram. As you can see here, after opening your Instagram, you have to click on storage and cache, and simply you have to clear cache of your account. And guys, if you have remembered your login, you have to clear storage as well. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back. So guys, now you have to open your Instagram app again, click on your messenger. So guys, from here you have to click on any chat in which you are facing this issue. So guys, for example, I am going to open this one chat. So guys, after this you need to click on that chat and click on that profile. And guys, from here you have to click on three dots. So guys, now you have to restrict this account. And guys, after restriction this account, as you can see here, after restricting this account you need to unrestrict it again. And guys, now you have to check that your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, no need to worry, you have to block that person. And guys, after this you have to unblock that, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to do messages at that account. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.